Have you ever experienced a point in your habit-building journey where progress seems to stagnate? This is what we call a habit plateau. Welcome to episode number 7 of the Atomic Habits series. Today, we're going to explore the strategies for overcoming habit plateaus and reinvigorating your progress. Habit plateaus are common occurrences in our habit-building journey. They're periods where we experience a temporary halt in progress or find it difficult to advance further. However, with the right mindset and strategies, we can overcome these plateaus and continue our habit transformation. The first step in overcoming a habit plateau is to evaluate and adjust our approach. Take a moment to reflect on your current habits and routines. Are there any potential areas for improvement? Are there adjustments you can make to enhance your progress? By objectively assessing your habits, you can identify areas that may be hindering your growth and make necessary changes. One effective strategy is to introduce variation into your habits. Sometimes, plateaus occur because we've become too accustomed to our routines. By injecting novelty and variety, we can reignite our motivation and engagement. This could involve changing the time or location of your habit, trying different variations or methods, or even experimenting with new activities that align with your goals. Another key aspect is maintaining a growth mindset. Recognize that plateaus are part of the journey and are temporary in nature. Embrace them as opportunities for learning and self-reflection. Reframe your mindset from frustration to curiosity and use the plateau as a chance to explore new strategies and approaches. By approaching it with a growth mindset, you'll be more likely to push through and find breakthroughs. Consistency is also crucial during habit plateaus. Even when progress seems slow or non-existent, continue showing up and putting in the effort. Remember that small, incremental improvements compound over time. Stay committed to your habits and trust in the process. Lastly, seek support and accountability. Share your challenges with a trusted friend, mentor, or community. By vocalizing your struggles, you may gain fresh perspectives, insights, and encouragement. Additionally, external accountability can provide the extra push needed to break through the plateau. Overcoming habit plateaus requires perseverance, adaptability, and a growth mindset. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and exploration. In our next episode, we'll discuss habit reflection and how it can enhance our self-awareness and habit-building process. Stay tuned, and let's continue our journey of atomic habit transformation.